First, we need to log in. Now that we are logged in, we need to click on Ordering and then click on Receive Order. From here, we need to click on Receive Extra and then enter the supplier name. If the supplier cannot be found, the screen will close and you must reselect Receive Extra. Please add the appropriate supplier. Once you've input the supplier and the system has found them, you'll be directed to the Receive Invoice screen. The selected supplier will be found here. Here, you can enter the invoice number or document number from the supplied invoice. Here, we will include all of the items on the invoice. We begin the capturing process by entering the invoice number. Next, we'll start adding items from the invoice. We can either scan the item's barcode or search for it by name. When you select an item, the attention shifts to quantity. In this case, we received 5 full boxes, therefore we'll need to add that amount. Once the quantity has been added, press Enter on your keyboard. Now we'll need to include the item cost from our invoice. This amount is equivalent to 1 complete box and is usually displayed as cost per unit. Once the cost has been entered, we can hit Enter on the keyboard until we reach a new line and can add the following item. We now repeat our previous actions, picking the product, adding the quantity, then altering the cost, pushing Enter on the keyboard to proceed to each, and lastly pressing Enter to go to the following line. Once we've finished adding all of the items from the invoice, we may click on Save. Once you click Save, you will receive the following box. We always click Continue to save the order as completed. On the next 2 screens, we click No and then OK. The order is now fully completed, and you can begin receiving more invoices.